Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SMRT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to use this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and good solid volume, including the final 30 minutes where the biggest volume of the entire day showed up. But regardless, a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's talk about some levels of support, and then we'll talk about some areas of resistance. So first area of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be right here at $2.83. The bears tried several times to push down through that level, but the bulls, to give full credit where credit's due, did a great job of maintaining up above there. So that would certainly be that ideal level. Don't get me wrong, though, if the price falls below it, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. Taking a step back, though, and looking at things from more so a big picture point of view, that's where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to gauge the health of the move, that right there being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control, no questions asked. Again, yeah, staying above 283 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price remains above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. Now, what about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers were hanging out at, right up there at about $2.93.94 on a couple of different occasions today. The bulls did try to push up there, but on both instances, that's where the price got smacked back down. So that'll be public enemy number one going into next week. All in all, though, no doubt about it, very nice move today. And as long as the price continues to build higher bases, then everything else will take care of itself. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.